Hi guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I wanted to make a video about restaurants, thali places in Goa. So let's go. Let's get into the video. A local Goan restaurant that I'm very fond of. They make some of the best chicken kafrial that I know. It's called Florentine in Salegaon. At home, we call the place Kafrial because they're known for it. But it's called Florentine and it's on the main Chogam Road again. Very small, very local, great prawn fried rice with the local poi bread that we get. Um and so if you're there, you should order your chicken kafrial, have half if you have an appetite, get some poi with it, and then have fried rice with prawn or egg or chicken or anything else. They also usually have some really good seafood, which is fresh, and you can always ask them what's fresh, and then they will fry it and give it to you as starters. So you should try out Florentine. Very local, and yet every Goan knows about it, and yet a lot of tourists don't. Transitioning more into Goan food from Florentine, there's another place called Bhatti Village in Nerul. They do some really good meats, Goan style Catholic food, very good. They also do great whitebait fish, which is this really small fish that is fried really crispy, and you can have it with a beer. It's amazing. So for Goan food, Bhatti Village in Nerul. If you want to have local thalis as well in Panjim, it's more towards the Fontenairs area, which is called Anand Ashram, and that's in Panjim. Again, great small local restaurant, very good food. If you want to do the same thing, great local food, but in a more upscale kind of vibe, you can go to Peep Kitchen in Panjim. They do great thalis, really nice crab as well. So Peep Kitchen. The standard know-it-all thali all place that everybody goes to is called Ritz Classic, and it's in quite a few places. There's one in Pato, there's one in North Goa. So you should definitely try out Ritz Classic. Some really good thalis, and there can be quite a big line. So be careful when you get there. So try and go early and maybe make a reservation. Very good. I want to throw in one place from South Goa which I really enjoy. It's called Martin's Corner, and it has some great crab. So if you are there, have their garlic butter crab and have their reshad pomfret. Really good. Great sizes. You can pick it out of a plate and then they'll cook it up for you. Again, gets really busy, but this is the only place I wanted to shout out in the south because I enjoy it. All the rest of the places are from the north. So hopefully I can put their Instagram pages or things like that on the left hand side so you know what I'm talking about and you don't get confused, or I'll put the title name somewhere while I'm talking about two local bars that I enjoy. One is Joseph Bar in the Fontenairs area, which is again a small hole in the wall, very local bar that you go to, that people go to for pre-drinking, and you stand on the road and you get your drink there. It's a really nice place. It's called Joseph Bar, and when you're in Panjim and you want to go party after that, this is a great place to go and pre-drink. It's called Joseph Bar. Another nice place, very small, it's called Mafia Cocktail, and it's based in Pilain. And again, really small, hole in the wall kind of vibe. Go in food, you can see what they have, fresh fish, and they will make that up for you. Don't expect the world, just go there to have a chill and have a good time. It's like a local adda for a lot of people in the area too. So I hope this video is informative and you can send this to someone. I'm going to try and add a list of places below, or add a blog post about all the places you can go and visit. And maybe if you want to share a text file, then you can share the blog link to people. If not, you can share this video, and if this video is descriptive enough for them. And if you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, comment down below whether you want to see more content like this, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will have the details somewhere here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope there was not too much background noise. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.